Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your weeklies from 13th of July to 19th of July, and this is a general reading. You already know that it might or might not resonate with all of you, and for those who are new to my channel, you are most welcome over here, and just go and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and you can also hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be notified about my latest videos. All right, so let's start with our reading. Before I'll start my tarot reading, I'm going to pick one card for you from the universe, and we'll see what the universe has to tell you. A direct message from the universe. Let's see. One card for my Scorpios, please, from 13 to 19 July. So we have a card over here, and the card is abundance. So you have everything over here, more than you want. Something which you always wanted, and you got it in some, maximum, basically more than you actually needed it. This is abundance. This is not just about materialistic things, it is also, the meaning is abundance knowledge as well. This person over here, he is sitting on a book, right? He has a lotus in his hand, he has fruits, he has everything. Look, the happiness in his face, on his face, and he is like, yes, I have everything now, I know, so I'm just sitting and relaxing. So that is not just with the materialistic world, it's more about the stability as well. When you are stable from your mind, from your heart, you are so happy, you don't need anything else after that. So this is the message. Let's see the tarot cards for my Scorpios, please. I'll be looking at your past energies, present and future energies, and then I'll pick some cards from the universe to end my reading. Alright? So let's see now. Scorpios 30 to 19. Alright. Okay. Six of Pentacles as your overall energy. I feel that there is something, where you have a lot of things in your life. You are going through, you want to start something new sometimes, you want to start a new relationship, you want to start like a job, new work, and many things basically. So your past energies are Ace of Rods, King of Rods, and 10 of Rods. So many rods. Are you dealing with fire sign, Sag, Aries, or Leo? Let's see. So this is something you actually wanted in your life. So these are the past energies. You wanted to start something new. I really see that you had an idea, and you even started that thing, but it actually it became successful as well, I see, but it was a lot of, it started giving you a lot of pressure, a lot of, oh my god, what did I do? I started, but that new idea, it actually made you someone all of a sudden. See, after this Ace of Rods, you became the King of Rods all of a sudden in your past energies. But your family time, your me time, your friends, everyone. You stopped giving them time, and that is why it created a lot of pressure. I see in your present energies it's Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and Seven of Cups. So yes, it is still your mind is somewhere, you're dreaming about more new things, how to execute more things, how to start something new. Again, you are entering into that zone where you are just like, okay, let's do this. Your future energies are the Lovers, Eight of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords. So I see you are working on some kind of a situation, might be a love situation in your future, because you also met someone in your present. You have met someone whom you feel he or she is your soulmate, and you want to start with that new thing in your life. And I see that in future as well you are working towards this situation, but there's still some kind of fear, some kind of worry. What is that? Let's clarify now. All right. Let's clarify. Six of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Five of Cups, and the Devil. Oh my God. Oh, what are you going through? Oh, okay. So your mind is occupied by a lot of bad things. Where you are not able to trust easily. You are feeling, okay, whom should I give my love to, because whosoever comes in my life deceive me. They come and they go. This is what I always feel. I always just keep on giving people all my love, then they just leave me. They show me their real faces, and then what do? I just cry and sit and just say that why did that happen to me? Why always me? Then you regret all the love which you give. But all these people are just the devil is here. It's like you are not dealing with the correct person from such a long time. Okay, so that is what I think this worry is. Okay, let's see the Ace of Rods in your past energies. Six of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and the World. Yes. So you actually, I feel that you actually already came from a very bad experience. You have seen a bad experience and you completed one cycle. Then you started to see that let's start something new. Then you were healed from that situation. Yes. You completed that cycle. Everything was done, gone. But again something new came towards you. Okay, let's see. I think this King of Rods might be the one. Let's see what is King of Rods. Temperance, Five of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. Yes. Okay, I feel that whosoever came towards you, there was some kind of a spark first of all. Then all of a sudden there was a no contact situation where you both stopped talking. Then it brought one question mark on you that how this thing happened. We were talking and all of a sudden this person stopped talking to me. Why did that happen? And you started figuring out, okay, so what should I do now? Might be a Sagittarius, because it has come twice over here. Okay, so you were in a lot of worry, fear. Oh my God, why me always? The Fool, Ace of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. Yeah, the pressure was on you because you fell for this person. You wanted to start new because you already ended a very bad cycle of yours. You thought that this person will be the one. I will start something new, because this person showed you that this person was there for you, and this person came towards you and gave an offer of stability to you with all determination to you, and all of a sudden this person just stopped talking, and you were like, oh my god, what the hell is happening with me? What is this? So let's see what's going on now. Two of Cups, the Empress, Queen of Swords, the Hermit. All right. Yeah. So I see that this person now has come back again. So he or she is playing on and off situation, where sometimes this person wants to come in your life, sometimes they don't want to come in your life, sometimes they want to talk, sometimes they don't want to talk. That on and off situation, and you are figuring out, and sometimes you are also clear. I see that there is still a nurturing side of yours with the Empress. You are more like, okay, I will accept you because I see you as my soulmate, as my love, but with all the manipulations and lies, I cannot accept this. How will I accept your bad words? Whatever you are saying, you are just giving me lame excuses, that's all. So you are just thinking, you have gone to your Virgo mode, your Hermit mode, where you are deep thinking now. Now what is this thing? What is going on? Let's see this Page of Pentacles. Three of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Star. Yes. So when you went into deep thinking, after that you found out something, that this person is not exactly what he or she is interpreting towards you. Okay, so it is like they are again offering you the cup, the love offer, but still they are into that zone where they might be dating some other people, they might be involved with some other people. All right, so you thought that you want to start with this new person. Okay, so a different kind of energy came, just I don't know what happened. There is a message for some people who are going towards something new. I see many people over here celebrating for because they got an admission into a new university or institute, and it was their wish which came true. So you are going to set this off, and a very beautiful energy. All these cards, these 4 cards, are just for some person who might be celebrating this kind of success. Okay, so let's see 7 of Cups now. 8 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Moon. Yes. You always wanted to work with this person, with the situation. And you thought that all I want is stability. I never wanted anything. I just want stability. We have that talent in ourselves that we will work together and we will just, we'll do the loans and all that. Money stuff will be handled. But all I want is clarity. All I want is the exact, what do you want? That is what I want. I don't want dreams which are not coming true. I want those dreams which dreams we saw together. You want to fulfill those dreams. You want to make those dreams become true. Yes. Okay, so let's see your future energies. Lovers, Judgment, King of Swords, and 3 of Swords. Okay, choices. All I see are the choices. There is a choice which is coming towards you. You have to decide something, and you have to decide something very clearly, because already Queen of Swords has come up over here and King of Swords. It's like clarity is coming towards you, and your decision which is pending is the decision which you are going to take. No one else. It's your decision which is coming towards something. let's see this Nine of Swords now. Two of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and Knight of Swords. Yeah, I see that when you are going to take a decision, this person is again coming towards you. They are not going to end. They are not going. They will again offer a cup, offer some kind of offer. They will come towards you. They will say, one chance again, please give me one more chance. But I don't see you are accepting that offer. You are very clear about that. Because Scorpios, I know they give their heart towards anything. They are just like, I can do anything for you. But when they're over, it's over, it's over. No more manipulations, no more lies. I am who I am. Okay? Okay then. So let's see what the universe has. Please give me 3 cards from the universe for my Scorpios. Temperance, Page of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. So universe is telling you that this person, whosoever you are dealing with, is in an on and off situation where he or she will come towards you, then again go away, then again. I don't know what he or she is doing. But what you need to do, you need to seek balance. What is this? This is you. This is a person who is so much into, your mind is telling you something else. Your heart is telling you something else. And universe is telling you that first settle your mind and heart. Then take a decision. Because the other person is not even settled. But you need to settle your mind and heart. Alright? So that's all from my side, my Scorpios. If you really liked the reading, please give a thumbs up. And we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.